It's Saturday, July 24, 2021. It's 10:07 a.m. Bullhead City, Arizona. We got that air conditioner in place, and Patsy's turning it on for the first time.
Ready?
Yeah. It works. So yeah, turn it to cold, see if we get cold air. We got the air conditioner free from our neighbor Chad right next door to us. This is a 5,000 BTU, and he replaced it with an 8,000 BTU. But for us, in our kitchen area, we have a 12,000 BTU air conditioner going, General Electric. We got that 3 weeks ago, well, on the 13th, July 13th. And this is a hair. Are you feeling cold air?
Yeah, it's blowing though.
Ooh, the filter, I don't have the filter in. All right, that's it for this one.
It's cool. It's getting cool.